Okay, gather here, let's talk about real Mumu. Who is the Mumu? Number 1, funny talent. Number 2, funny talent. Number 3, funny talent. Number 4, funny talent. Number 5, funny talent. Number 6, funny talent. Number 7, funny talent. Yeah, it's the real Mumu, funny talent. Yeah.
What be this? What be this? What be this? What be this? Jesus,
Yeah.
When I keep see people where they do, if they need security for here, I go hide myself for here first. Obodo oyibo. Yeah, Omo. Money dey Lagos o. Yeah. It talk like sound system.
You be Mumu. $70 old man. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Obodo oyibo.
You dey smoke Igbo.
They go fit allow me this security for here. Money dey work na Lagos be this.
Continue.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is knocking? Who is knocking?
Baba,
Who are you?
good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So now obodo oyibo be this, abi Lekki?
You dey smoke
This is
Igbo.
Lekki Phase 1.
Lekki Phase 1.
Yes.
Omo. Baba, where dey see this money?
What do you want?
Baba, I want work for here.
Okay.
I beg if you go fit help me. I swear na garri I dey chop every
We need worker here, but he's army good
person. Where go fit work?
We get. You no get muscle.
I be bouncer. Na bouncer I dey do since when they born me. Since I
This
come
gate, can you handle this gate?
Baba, if any thief enter here, man no iya ekpa, I go kill am.
If any thief come here, they know they use hand they fight thief, you know.
Stick.
I need you to use stick.
Baba, I go kill them.
Wipe your head, come out. Come inside.
Continue.
Show you where you put your bag.
70
Fast,
years old man.
I'm going out. Show you the kind stick you use.
Okay, now this one go use the kill thief.
See am, or snack am.
Okay.
Example, let me show you example.
Well,
The thing pay you. Yeah, fake.
so if thief come,
Wipe am, wipe
I go do
am.
like this. Okay, stand up. No vex. Now,
I don't say make you wipe me.
okay, I will just hit you.
Wipe thief. Wipe thief.
If not like that, okay, go and sit down. Now here I dey today.
Wipe thief. Let me go.
No, I no dey sit down. Don't worry.
Photo.
Day by day, you are looking more stupid and foolish.
Who be that rubbish man? Who is that man? Okay, what are you looking for?
I want to get into my compound.
You want to
Get into my house.
into your house?
Yes.
Come inside, where? Like, you want to? Okay, come.
What's happening here?
What are you doing here?
It's my house.
You no go anywhere. I mean, they tell you. But if I lock this gate, I will deal with you. You know that.
What this man be?
Why are you for the first time? I will command this man things now. Now this is how they play.
That's my house.
Okay, this is your house. Your house.
Yes.
Now you want lie. You know how I take on this place?
Hey, you want that build this place? What I say?
Oga. You dey whine? You know that I mean the Oga security for this place.
Why is this guy?
Strong up. Stand up.
So,
I'm a Bambalu gate man. Call me Bambalu.
Bambal.
See that there.
Bambalo get.
Continue.
Baba,
Huh?
something dey happen.
Wetin dey happen?
I don kill thief. Na me dey tell you this how dey play. I be Golomuma from Porto gate man.
You don kill thief.
I don kill thief. Na me dey tell you this how dey play. Stand up, no go sit down and family. You still dey do friend job for that friend job for that side, my friend.
thief in this compound. Jesus!
I mean, deal with him.
No,
I mean, I can deal with him because
be this.
nothing they happen. Eh?
Excuse me, please.
Namoga be this.
Okay, now you got me this.
Do you beat him?
I don't beat him now. Small, I just touch him. I beat you.
You
Small.
touch me small, right?
Okay. So my work one thing. I don't touch him. I just touch him small.
May God not allow them
Excuse me, please. Who's this person?
Oga.
Yes.
70 years.
70 years old man.
How many times have I told you to respect yourself?